It's day 68 of the Bearded Brace Face. I woke up before my alarm went off and the sun was coming through the window. I thought that I had slept through my alarm, but because of the time shift, I think I just woke up early. Got a really tight schedule, 2 interviews to shoot in 2 different towns that are miles apart. Then after that, gotta get back to LAX to fly back to Utah. Here's hoping traffic cooperates. Just got done with Hook Burger. It was really good, and now we're headed into the hospital to do the shoot. It is like 88 degrees out here and sunny. It's almost Thanksgiving, so that's pretty crazy.
I think that all you really ever wanted was a reason to complain. That never stopped you before. Don't let it get in your way. Those are her words, not mine. As far as I'm concerned,
Well, I am super pissed right now. Classic damage to an Inspire 1 that you see often. What I'm really glad about is that it dropped straight down and I wasn't over anything, and it just hit the cement and didn't hit cars, didn't hit people, didn't hit buildings. You know, I really didn't want that to happen today. I was using the quick release props that I have always used. They've always worked great for me. For whatever reason this time, one of the props just popped right off and it fell to the ground like a rock, and as it was falling, I was just so frustrated watching it fall out of the sky. It was a great day of filming, and then to end like that, not so great. And I didn't even get any of the shots that I planned on either. Anyway, I'm so done. On a positive note, we're in LA traffic, so that's fun.
the things you might have actually said. 'Cause those are my words, not yours. As far as I'm concerned, it could have been a lot worse. I wasn't trying to avoid the confrontation. She isn't.
This is probably one of the noisiest airports I've ever been in.
Sing, they just fall from the sky. Girls don't call and they never tell you why. That's just how they say goodbye.
I haven't gone home yet, but before I went home I decided to get some milk. Well, I made it home. If I had to make a list of days in my life that I would want to repeat, I don't think this one will be in my top 10 list. As always, hope this wasn't horrible.